"2020 was a rough year. It was a dark and very isolating year for most of us, and most of us made big changes in our lives due to COVID-19. Some of us switched careers, and some may have moved to be closer to a support system. The one thing we like about 2020 is that it's over and 2021 is here." Pantone comes out with a color each year and labels it a hot new trendy color. In 2020, Pantone selected this classic blue color. Dull and dark blues can evoke a sense of calm and trust. They can also indicate sadness and loneliness. Pantone did not know about COVID-19 and it would change the world that year when they selected this color, but I think it was a very fitting color that matched the mood for that year. In 2021, Pantone selected this more vibrant yellow paired with this steady medium tone gray. Leatrice Eisman, the executive director of the Pantone Color Institute, said this: "The union of an enduring ultimate gray with a vibrant yellow illuminating expresses messages of positivity supported by fortitude, practical and rock solid, but at the same time warning and optimistic. This is a color combination that gives us resilience and hope." As we study in a lot of the lessons I teach about design theory and color theory is yellows are tough colors to use, but they do evoke a feeling of energy and hope and optimism, exactly what we're all needing after a year of blue. But what I discovered when researching trends and projects is it's not just the brighter, vibrant hues that will crop up, but it's more total color coverage on a project. This means package designs, for example, will be more expressive and dedicate more of the total design space to color in general. Take, for instance, the packaging I researched in stores. Some products can do well by using a more modern, brutalist presentation with stark white backgrounds and simple typography. That is great if it echoes your brand style, but I found products that had more full, total color coverage on packaging really caught my eye. The packaging design I saw was illustrative, hopeful, exciting, and just plain cool. If the product has a series, then color was used to denote a different flavor or type of product. We can also see this in digital design projects like mobile app designs and websites. Less just plain white space is used, and more photos and full color backgrounds and headlines are used. More colorful design elements peek through the backgrounds, and lots of high contrast colors are being used. Neutral colors like grays, tans seem to be popular in recent years. I think we'll find that we see less neutral colors in place of more saturated hues in 2021. Color selection can be tough as a designer. Some colors match a company's industry, while others, they're purely there to evoke certain thoughts or emotions. I think that understanding the global issues that affect us can help guide our color choices moving forward, especially during the times when we all feel like we're affected equally. As I see more designers dedicate areas of their design to color, I see this as a way to bring more cheer, hopefulness, and light in a world that desperately needs it.